Hello and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Today we're talking about perfection and what does that look like for you? What does that look like for me on my healthy journey? What does that look like? So a lot of times people think perfection and it means you got to do it exactly a certain way or you're a failure. As I stated in previous videos, when I was starting this channel, some of my friends and family were like, Kim, what happens if you do not lose weight? What happens as you gain weight? Because you're not going to do it perfectly every week. There will be weeks when you gain weight. There's going to be weeks when you lose weight. There's going to be weeks when you just be like, forget it, skip it, whatever, right? And I thought about it and I said, you know what? That didn't frighten me. That didn't frighten me. I'm the type of person where I'd rather at least try something than I didn't try it at all, right? That's me. I know everybody's different. So today I want to talk about, though, don't let other people's definition of perfection affect you and your search for a healthy lifestyle. You may embark on a healthy lifestyle, be it exercising more, changing your eating. I joined Weight Watchers. You may be doing Jenny Craig. You might be doing paleo or whatever. Whatever it is that you've decided to do, I congratulate you. I am so proud of you for taking the first step to whatever journey or whatever method you've decided to get there. As long as it's safe now. Let's be safe. We're not doing anything crazy out there. But if you've chosen a safe method of trying to get your health together, I am so happy for you. And I hope you continue to be on my journey with me. But I really want to talk about today again, perfection. Because a lot of times once people find out that you're doing a diet of any sort or you make any kind of proclamation, I think I'm going to do ABC. They will hold you to the fire. If you too are on a healthy journey or healthy lifestyle change, have you ever had your friends or family tell you, oh no, you're not supposed to have that? No. Well, again, that's them, and they may be the kind of person where they start a diet and they follow it to the letter of the law. It may say no bread. They may be able to actually do that for 6 months, a year, 2. They may have that kind of discipline. I don't have that kind of discipline. I don't. I am trying. So I'm not going to let anyone else's definition of perfection affect me and my health journey. I'm not. So everybody's going to know that I'm on a health journey, right? Because most of my friends are going to probably follow me on this channel. And that's fine. Welcome and thank you for the support. But if you see me eating a cupcake out there or you see me eating or drinking something, I don't need you to remind me that you have a YouTube channel and you told everybody you're getting healthy. No. And it's not fair for you to do that to someone else. I may have had a stressful day and I might need that little piece of chocolate or I might need that margarita to help me to move on, right? So whatever the case may be, let's not be so judgmental. Let's not set the bar so high that we help encourage people to fail. If you set the bar so high for people, eventually they'll be like, you know what, forget this. Or you want support from your friends and family, but you don't need them dictating to you or telling you what you can eat, what you can't eat. They don't know what number of points you have. They don't know what sacrifices you made to enjoy that meal with them. A lot of times when we eat out, we make different choices. I'm going to talk about that in an upcoming video. But you want to be with friends and family, but sometimes they can make you just feel so bad, They set the bar so high for you. You already have a high expectation for yourself. Do you guys think I really started this channel or started paying Weight Watchers or going to meetings and, all of this with the intention of failing? No, I plan to succeed. But I am human. When you cut me, I bleed. So I'm not going to do it perfectly. So don't expect perfection from an imperfect person. Even when it comes to my weight loss journey, okay? When it comes to someone else's weight loss journey, don't do that to people. It's very aggravating. I have been in settings where I've heard people say, oh, you can't have that. How are you going to tell a 30, 40, 50-year-old person what they can and cannot do? You don't pay their bills. So now I'm going off on a little tangent because this is something that struck a nerve with me throughout the years. As I've shared with my friends and family at times, right now I decided I'm going to try to lose some weight. Again, they add more pressure on me because they want to tell me what I can and cannot have. So the point of this lesson today is, and I want you to take it away too, don't set the bar so high for yourself that you will fail or you don't want to continue on the journey. I want you to be able to talk to people. That might mean you have to speak up, because I'm doing a lot of self-development these days. I really am. I've experienced a lot of death in my family, and when you start losing family